Blogging. One of the most popular ways to make money online is by starting your own blog. You can start your blog around just about any topic that you're passionate about. Later you can earn money on your blog by ads. Publishing ebooks online. Regardless of your current occupation and lifestyle, there is probably a book inside of you that's screaming to get out. Amazon's Kindle Direct publishing platform has given thousands of people a chance to become published authors and earn money. Affiliate marketing. There is more scope for affiliate marketing than before because of the high growth of online shopping. There are hundreds of online merchants like Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, etc. where you can sign up and promote their products in return for commission. Stock trading. If you have a good knowledge of market, you can start stock trading. There are many platforms where you can start. Also many online courses are available to learn stock trading. YouTube. YouTube is one of the hottest trend in earning money online. There is a very long list of topics to create videos on, and then you get paid for the people who sees your ads on your video.